Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a summer glam first impressions, testing new makeup kind of video and just having a chat. As you can probably tell, I've changed location. I'm now at my mum's house, as obviously I haven't been there this whole lockdown. I've been at my dad's house, so now I'm at my mum's house. This is where I'm going to try and be filming all my videos from now on. It might not be this background, this is just temporary, but eventually we will have a nice background, I promise. And I will eventually be doing a room tour as well, so that's exciting. Just before we get into the video, I do want to quickly say, if you haven't already, I'd love it if you would go down and subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. Right, so I have a couple of new bits of makeup that was in my haul previously. So if you haven't seen that video, I will put it somewhere. So I've already put a moisturiser on my face and I've already done my eyebrows because they're both really boring to watch personally, so I've already done that. And now I'm going to put on the Revolution Glass Liquid Skin, which is like a nice dewy primer. I probably wouldn't recommend this if you have oily skin, because especially in the summertime you're going to be getting oily anyway, but because I have dry skin it doesn't really matter, and I always want a glowy face. Rub that in. I'm a little bit sunburnt because we're currently going through like a heat wave in the UK. I like this primer because it's really tacky and like sticky. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, the dewy one in soft beige. This was in my haul, but I also have tried this one other time and I did really like it. I like it's a really fresh, like it is really nice. I really like it, especially for the price. It's literally so cheap. And it's a lot better personally, I think anyway, than the original Photo Focus. It's just too dry for my skin. But if you have dry skin, that probably would be an option, but this is just the dewy one. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. I don't know what this makeup look's gonna turn out to be yet, but whatever it is, I'm going to try my best. I had to shut my window because I live near a main road, so you'd be able to hear it really loud. So I had to shut my window, and now I'm literally sweating, especially with these lights on me. It's so hot. Whew. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, that foundation is a delight. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Although I'm sweating. My upper lip is sweating. For concealer, I'm going to use my Revolution Conceal and Define. I like this, but I don't love it. I feel like it runs out really quick. I don't know if that's just me. I buy it all the time and then I'm like, oh, I regret it every time. Like, I like it for the first couple of days, and then I remember that it runs out so quick, and then I'm just not happy. And then blend that. So I've been reading this book. Well, actually I read it in one day. I don't really read, but I decided to read, and I read it in one day. It's called We Were Liars. Let me know if you've ever read it, because it honestly blew my mind. And now I can't stop thinking about it, and I've been telling everyone about it. So please let me know if you read it, and if you haven't read it and you want a good book to read, read that. It really makes you think. Okay, now that is all blended in, I think my base looks really flawless, which I like. This is going to be more of like a glam makeup, like I said before. It's not really going to be an everyday summer makeup, because in the summer you don't really want to wear that much makeup, or I don't anyway. Each to their own though. But yeah, anyway, now I'm going to be testing the Revolution Banana Light Powder. I haven't used this yet, but we'll see. I like the banana powders, so it's just a really good and affordable powder. If you like loose powders, I would recommend. Just see, my face is matte. And although I have quite dry skin, I do like to set my face quite a lot because I do still get a bit oily during the day, but it's the initial applying of the foundation and stuff that my skin will just go really cakey because I have dry skin. But yeah, I think this looks really good. Obviously nothing's really sticking on my nose because of my sunburn just there, but other than that, I think it looks really nice. Okay, now I'm going to bronze and put some blush on. So I'm just using the Get the Pretty Started palette, using the Hoola and California. There was a time where I used to just not wear blush, and now I feel like I can't not have blush on when I've got makeup on, otherwise my face looks too flat. Just like the life is completely sucked out of my face. Put down my nose, bit of blush on my nose even though it's already bright red. I've kind of gone off highlight a little bit now, I don't know why. I feel like we already put loads of glow as a base. I don't really need to wear highlight. I'll just get natural highlight as, you know, the day goes on, so I don't feel like I really need highlight. Anyway, now for the star of the show. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. I also showed this in my haul. It looks like this. It's literally beautiful. I haven't used this yet, so we'll see what we can come up with. This is the shades up close. As you can see, it's quite neutral toned, almost cool toned. I don't know if I'd call it cool toned. There are some cool tones in here, like this shade. I feel like these are quite cool toned there, but this is also warm, and I feel like this is quite warm. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do with this, but we will see. I usually do my eyes first. I don't really know why I did my base first. I'm not going to go too dramatic, I don't think. I think I just want to do a little wash of eyeshadow. The first colour I'm going to go in with is... Boundaries. It's just a transition shade really, and I'm just going to buff that into my eye. Blends so nicely. You probably can't even see. There we go, just like that. It blended really nicely. And so far they're really pigmented because I did set my base. Usually I wouldn't set my eyes because I do my eyes first. I don't know why I didn't, but usually I do my eyes first and they'd be tacky. But I feel like it'll work for this look because I'm going for quite like a blown out, effortless look. Now I don't know what to do, but look at the amount of fallout. So now I just want to deepen the crease. It's going to be a really simple look. So I'm going to go in with Endgame, which is a really dark brown. Probably not a good idea to do this, but I just want a slight gradient. I'm just going to blend that in the outer corner a little bit. I love how I said it's a cool toned palette, and I love cool tones, and then I pick a warm tone look. And summer's all about warm tones. I'm finding this one not so easy to work with because it's a darker shade, but it will still be fine. So I went back in with the Boundaries shade and just blended over the top to really blend it together, as you can see. Looks like that. Patting it in and then blending it out with a fluffy brush. I find this is the easiest way to do eyeshadow, just using like 3 different colours or 4 different colours and just using a transition shade and then dark shade in the outer corner, shimmer on the lid, and then like a brow bone shade. Now I'm going to take Barely Baked, which is this shade here. It's like the gold shade. I kind of want to use that one as well because that looks like a really foiled shade. so maybe I will use a bit of that as well. But for now I'll go in with Barely Baked, and I'm probably going to use my finger and just put it on my eye. I'm going to try with a brush and we'll see how that goes, and then if that doesn't work as well as I want it to, then I will not great. I'm going to use my fingers. Oh yeah, that's way better. That's so beautiful. I feel like you sort of get a cut crease effect without doing a cut crease. It would be better if you didn't have really long nails so you can get in the corner. But I feel like you get a cut crease effect. And I didn't think the shimmer was going to be that foiled, but whoa. I'm going to use my brush and go back in and kind of do the inner corner because I can't really get in there. That's so pretty. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So that was so easy to do, and I feel like it looks really nice. I'm now going to take the Angel Fire shade, which is this shade here, just in the inner corner to see if that is like a really shimmery light colour. See what that does. That is so nice. I love this palette so much. Okay, now I'm going to take that Boundary shade, the transition shade that we used, and run that on my lower lash line. Really blend everything together. Like that. Literally so easy. It's like the most easiest, effortless eyeshadow creation I've ever done, all thanks to this palette, and I loved it. Kind of goes really well with the outside packaging. I would 100% recommend this eyeshadow palette if you love neutral shades and you want really good shimmers. These are really nice. I know I obviously didn't use all of the eyeshadows, but the ones that I did use were stunning, and I'll be using this on a daily basis. This will probably replace my MAC Amber x9, which, if you know me, that is my favourite eyeshadow palette ever. This could replace it. I know. That is saying a lot, so beautiful. Okay, I'm now going to put on some lashes. I'll do that off camera because it's boring. I'm going to use the Eyelure Enchanted lashes. I've already worn them before, so they're just kind of looking a bit sad, but they're just really like fluttery and pretty. I'll do that and then I'll come back. Okay, put my lashes on. As I said, they're just really natural, kind of, and pretty. I'm going to put some mascara on as well, so I'm just using the Collection Supersize Fat Lash. My lash is hanging off. Yeah. Okay, and last but not least, it's time for the lips. So today I'm using the Revolution Shimmer Bomb lip gloss in Starlight. These reminded me of the Fenty glosses. I did say that in my haul as well. They look really similar, and I have used this, but I just tried it on. So I feel like I'm saying this is a first impressions, but like I've used everything. I didn't use the palette or the powder though. This smells like watermelon. It smells so good, and I feel like this will go quite well because this is a peachy shade. So it's got gold glitters in. And this looks stunning in the sun. I didn't have this on for very long, but gorgeous in the sun. It just makes your lips look so juicy. If you wanted to give your lips a little bit more of definition, I'd recommend to put a lip liner on first to kind of, you know, because the eyes are quite dramatic, you kind of want to match it up with the lips. But I'm not going to do that today, just so you can see how the lip gloss looks. for like summer. These £5. What are you doing? Go and get one. Go and get one. They just taste like watermelon. Smell. They don't taste like watermelon. No, they don't taste like watermelon. Anyway, that is the finished makeup look for today. I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!